Hey, hello, welcome to the scrapyard. Just a quick little update here. This is my fourth time trying to make this video. I bought a camcorder, hoping to improve the quality of my videos I was making, and the thing was more trouble than it's worth, man. I struggled with it for 2 days. It it took pretty good video, but the problem was I couldn't. Every time I tried to move it from my camera to my PC, it would well, basically my PC would lock up. um, like I said, I struggled with it for a couple of days, and I'm not exactly a newbie when it comes to that kind of thing. Um, so I decided I'm sending it back and trying something else. Anyway, I've made a little bit more progress on this, some painting and whatnot. Um, got the Arden about ready. I still gotta figure out my um, drive from my fuel pump and stuff. But man, it made that flathead big, though. That overhead can kit. Oh, well, there it fell off. Well, move it a little closer. Maybe you can see a little better. Um, yeah, I got to do something about getting a little bit better camera set up. But I got the body the way I want it. I guess put some sprue glue in the where it needed some filling. Still haven't put this bar in, but it's just sitting in there. It's not secured, but I put some sprue glue in some different places. Man, it's got to be sanded back down a little bit, but that's close. Uh, I really like my magnesium color I come up with for my wheels. I don't know if that's focusing or not. Crappy little web camera. But it looks like what I've seen in color photos. I'm gonna go back with like a chrome lip and go from there. Got the chassis finished. Doing about all I'm gonna do to it. I don't know if it passed tech or not, but got the push bar on it. Um, get the front engine plate in, and like I said, man, I didn't get those two bent exactly right, but it's all gonna be under cover, so it'll be all right. But I think it's gonna look pretty good. And other than that, man, I haven't really done much. I built a Racemaster chassis out of the Moon Eyes kit. It's not a Moon Eyes because it doesn't have the second roll bar on it yet, but I just wanted to, see how it went together. So in comparison, but that's about it for now. The It's coming along. It's slow, but like I said, I've always said I was slow, and I do. I get doing other things too. Sometimes. But that's about all for now. All right, let me show you how it fits. Yep, yep. It's gonna fit just right. Yep. And that's the way it's gonna fit. I try to leave enough protruding in the front to get my steering out. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. Next time you see it, it's liable to be in paint. All right. Well, good night. Y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe.